Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to take active photos in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to stay here and tap to this small button above the shutter so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. At the first place now we have active photos. We can decide from the right to turn them off. We can turn them on every time we take a picture, or turn them on auto so the camera should recognize the best possible conditions to take active photo. Let me keep this turned on every time because I want to show you how it works. And when we take a photo we should get 2-in-1, the picture and the short clips. So let's try to use this and take a photo. To see it, let's go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how picture looks like. Let's move up to this button with play so we can check how short clip also looks like. And as we can see, this is how it works. We can stop it and see again the picture or play it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.